Okay, students, keep silent. In biomicromolecules morning class we are completed that. Which one we are completed of? Amino acids. Amino acids is comes under biomicromolecules. Generally, according to your NCERT, one definition given the biomicromolecules meaning. So what is mean by biomicromolecules? Students, I already started. Okay, you have to stop. Biomicromolecules means those molecules, molecular weight. Okay, so molecular weight, those molecules, molecular weight less than 800 Daltons. Less than 800 Daltons. Okay, in your book two definitions given, that is 800 Daltons or 1000 Daltons antenu kottidru. 1000 Daltons. Those are having the molecular weight, or those molecules molecular weight is less than 800 Daltons, we can call them as micromolecules. Remember students, biomicromolecules after the chemical methods, after the filtration come under where we can observe biomicromolecules in the filtrates or retentate filtrates. That's why we can observe in acid soluble pool or insoluble soluble pool only we can observe. So previous class we are completed that one, what are the amino acids, what is the different type of amino acid. Okay, I'm giving some extra information about that is amino acids, that is types of amino acids, but in this one first we can discuss about essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. I hope that one it is over in your chemistry. Correct? Essential amino acid. Who will speak that one essential amino acid? Yes, one. Generally, essential amino acid synthesized in our body? No, it is not synthesized in our body. That's why we have to take through diet. Okay, na? So that is essential amino acid not synthesized. Do not synthesized in the body. Do not synthesized in the body. Okay. Hence, we take through diet. Okay, now through diet we have to take that one, that is called essential amino acids. Total out of 20 amino acid, how many amino acids are essential? Yes, 10. Remember students, essential amino acids, how to remember? Here one small easy method I can speak, that is that is try this VIP mall. Try this VIP mall. Okay, it is about the one of the easy method to remember 10 amino acid, how we can remember. Okay, in your NEET examination, okay, na, chances are very less in biology to ask. Okay, but we can understood that. So try means what? Tryptophan. It is represent tryptophan, students. Okay, one more, a T for threonine. His for histidine. And V for valine. And I for which one? Isoleucine. Okay, and P for which one? Phenylalanine. Not proline, phenylalanine. And M for methionine. Okay, and A for arginine. L for lysine, and one more L for leucine. Idra students, okay, na 10 amino acids are there. We can easily remember by this method. Try this VIP mall. In this one, try is represents one amino acid. This T is represents one amino acid. His represents another amino acid. This one you should remember, students. Your VIP mall every letter it is represents one amino acids. Okay, ಈಗ ನಾನ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್. ನಾನ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ means is already, okay na, these are synthesized in our body, synthesized in our body. That's why no need to take through our diet. Okay na. So what are the examples andre? Remaining 10 amino acids are there. Adralli G means what na? Glycine, glutamate and glutamic acid. Next one, yes for serine. Okay, next one in the, okay, what are the remaining? So only 5 only come, remaining 5 more is there. Okay, that is about the, yes, which one? Yes, tyrosine, GGGST, one more also. Which one? Yes, A for which one? The aspartic acid. Next one more A for which one? The asparagine. Next one, you know? Okay, no? Correct. Next one more. Proline also. Yes, one proline. 5. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರಬೇಕಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ. ಸೊ tryptophan already is came, you know. Tryptophan is came. Methionine also came. Cysteine, yes. Okay. Yes, cysteine. That is called cysteine. Next one, proline also not come. Proline already come. Okay. Which one? Alanine. A for alanine. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಎ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲನಿನ್. ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಟ್ರಿಪಲ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 1 more is there. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಸ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 10 amino acids. But one you have, if you are remember means remaining another one is easy. Correct students? Try this VIP mall if you are remember means all these things also. Okay. So tryptophan, threonine, histidine, valine, isoleucine, phenylalanine. P for phenylalanine, methionine, A for arginine. Iga lysine, leucine. These are about the, okay, essential amino acid, and the remaining 10 are non-essential amino acid. Triple G, triple A, ST, PC. Okay na? So that is remaining. Itara ನೆನಪಿರಬಹುದು students. ಈಗ now we are going to discussing one more biomicromolecules, ಅದೇ lipids. Okay, lipids. Yes. Any doubts are there students? Okay. Yes. Every amino acid is contain how many constituents? How many constituents or substituents are present? 4 substituents are there. In that 4 substituents, and variable group is not same for all amino acids. Based upon that only, okay, amino acids are different types. Okay, so morning class only we discussed, and today class we are going to discussing some other concept from biomicromolecules, that is lipids. In the morning class we discussed about lipids are comes under yesterday morning class retentate, it will becomes or filtrata retentate. But retentate nalli what are the components are there? We are calling as the biomacromolecules. But lipid also present in the retentate andre idu macromolecules antane first karibeku. But property ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ yes, it is not a macromolecule, it is a which one now? Biomicromolecule. Why? Because I already said biomicromolecules ಅಂದ್ರೆ molecular weight is less than 800 Daltons or less than 1000 Daltons ಇರಬೇಕು. Same lipids also showing their molecular weight is less than 800 Daltons. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ lipids also biomicromolecules say, but lipids are we can observe in the retentates. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. Understood? So question inge keltara, which biomicromolecule which is present in the retentate, which biomicromolecules present in the retentates andre which one are lipids. Why these lipids are called this is about the reason their molecular weight is less than 800 atoms. Clear students? Okay, then so what are lipids? Lipids are commonly esterified alcohols anta karitboda. Okay, so these are called esterified or esters of fatty acids and glycerols anta helbodu, or fatty acids and alcohol anta helbodu. It is the esters of fatty acids and alcohols that is called lipids. Remember students, okay na? Lipids are not polymers. This is very very important. The next one, lipids are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvents. What is the organic solvents? Such as, okay, so where they can acetone only, they can completely. Next one, it is also in benzene also and ether also. Adರಲ್ಲಿ they can completely dissolve ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so lipids, best example, take the oils. When you have to take the oils and put into the water, but it will be dissolved? No. Okay, now so that's why it is insoluble in water, but soluble in organic solvents like acetone, benzene and ether. They can solve that one, students. Okay, so this is about the main. But now we are discussing about lipids andrene. Two components are mainly present, students. What is the name? Fatty acids and alcohol. ಈ ಆಲ್ಕಹಾಲ್ ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಆಲ್ಕಹಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಅವಾಗನೇ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Fatty acids. Okay, so these are called, fatty acids are called organic carboxylic acids anta karitar. Organic carboxylic acids we can call fatty acids. Okay, so what is the molecular formula means? That is called RCOOH anta karitar. Now only one carboxylic group is present and R is variable group is present. This is about the molecular formula, that is called RCOH. Matte R nalli what are the components irbodu? R is consist of either methyl group or ethyl group or a chain of CH2 or many CH2 groups also present, students. Okay, so that's why it is not same anta helbodu fatty acids. So fatty acids are nothing but organic carboxylic acids anta helbodu, and RCOH2, it is a natural formula. Okay, now we are discussing about the types of fatty acids. Fatty acids are divided into two types. They saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, so fatty acids types we are discussing. First one is called saturated fatty acids. Meaning, students, okay, so without double bonds, idre, that is called saturated. Okay, inge barkora. Okay, fatty acids without double bonds is called saturated fatty acids. What are the best example? Palmitic acid is the best example. Palmitic acid. Okay, second one is called stearic acid and arachidic acid. It is the best example. Palmitic acid, it contain how many carbons? 16 carbons. Okay, now 16 carbons with Which one? Carboxyl carbon also we have to count it. With carboxyl carbon count madidandre 16. Stearic acid contain 18 carbons with carboxyl carbon. It contain 20 carbons with carboxyl carbon. Okay ra? Yen sir idu? So here I already said that one COH group is commonly present. COH group jotege, come on now. Many CH2 groups, either methyl group is present or ethyl group is present. This is called methyl group and this is called ethyl group, or many CH2 groups are present like a chain like structure. So now, so this is about CH2, okay. So this is about 14 is there, 15, 16 is there. Now it is about the palmitic acid or stearic acid or arachidic acid. Palmitic acid. I already said CH2 is how many is there? 14 is there. Adike I am not writing, just CH2. Okay, 14 on the birthday. So that's why CH2 groups are 14 are there, but there is no double bonds. Elli nodidandre double bonds e kanala. Okay, so that's why it is called saturated fatty acids. Best example ಈ ಮೂರು. Okay, so this is called the as palmitic acid anta kirtira. This is called palmitic acid, friends. Next ide tarha you can write that one stearic acid also 18 carbons. So stearic acid 18 carbons containing same CH3, okay, CH2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ಬೋದ್ರ 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ COH. Notice 16 carbons, here 14 carbons are there, 14 carbons and 15 carbon and COH nalli ide carbon also ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೆದಿದೆ, palmitic acid is contain 16 carbons with carboxyl carbon also. ಅಂದರೆ carboxyl group also contain the carbon, along with that one it is contain the 16 carbon, students. Even stearic acid also already 16 carbons already is there, 17 and 18 carbons like this. This is called the as stearic acid. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ CH3, CH2 ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು 18 COH ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅರಕಿಡಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅರಕಿಡಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅರಕಿಡೋನಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್. ಅರಕಿಡಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಅರಕಿಡೋನಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಬೇರೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಓವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್. Unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids. Okay, yes, the fatty acids with okay, so one or more, which groups ra? CH2 groups. One or more CH2, one or more double bonds anta. One or more double bonds, that is called C double bond. But illi no double bonds, without double bonds idu highlight ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಓಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್. Okay, next one linoleic acid, and last one is called arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid. Oleic acid, same, it contain the 18 carbons, okay, with one double bond at 9th position. One double bond at 9th position irutte. But it is also contain 18 carbons with two double bonds. Two double bonds are there. Two double bonds at 9th and 12th position. Okay. And arachidonic acid is contain the 20 carbons with okay, 20 carbons. They contain 8th, 9th, 11th and 14th place. Double bonds are present in the 4 places. For sample ge oleic acid 18 carbons ide, but one double bond only present. ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಓಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಇಸ್ರ CH3 is there, okay, CH2 7 ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರ CH, next one is CH2 and COH. This is about oleic acid. Are you observing, students? This is about the first, 8th, 9th position. 9th is position ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ, ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ. ಬಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಓಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಓಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲಿ 18 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ 18 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವೇ ಡಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 9th ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ. ಈಗ ಲೈನೋಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ, ಲೈನೋಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ CH2 ಓಕೆ 7, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲಿ 8 ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ CH2 CH, ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ CH2 4 COOH. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರ 7th ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ 7th ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 9th ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ NCERTನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲರ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಬಂತಾರ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಡಿಟೈಲ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ unsaturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids meaning the fatty acids with double bonds. How many double bonds are there? One or more double bonds. One double bond idre, okay na. So that is called oleic acid. Oleic acid nalli 18 carbons are there, but only one place nalli matra carbon madhye double bond is there. Adu yav position appa? 9th position. ಈಗ 9th ಪ್ಲಸ್ 12th ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 9th ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ತಾನೆ. 10th 11th 12th ಮತ್ತು 12th ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. 9th and 12th ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಸಿಡ್? ಲೈನೋಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ತರಹ ಅರಕಿಡೋನಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ 20 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ, ಬಟ್ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 8th 9th 11th 14th ಈ ಥರ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾವು ಜನರಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ನೌವಡೇಸ್ ಇದು ಹಾಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕುಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಉಕ್ರೇನ್ ರಷ್ಯಾ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಈ ವಾರ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಉಕ್ರೇನಿಂದನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಓಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಲೈನೋಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಅರಕಿಡೋನಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. Unsaturated fatty acids are very healthy to our body and it reducing the excessive cholesterol in our body. Adike by using olinic acid, linoleic acid, and they can treat that one the high cholesterol also mainly atherosclerosis. Nanpidya students, atherosclerosis andre mainly coronary arteries meaning those arteries are supplying the oxygenated blood to heart muscles. Heart muscles ge those blood vessels are supplying the oxygenated blood. That vessels are what we can call coronary arteries. A coronary arteries block agutira because of the deposition of which one? Cholesterol. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ, ಫೈಬರಸ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಫೈಬರಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಡಿಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸಿಂದನೇ ತೆಗಿತಾರಪ್ಪ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇದರ ಅನ್ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಟು ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್. got the clarity students? Okay na? So fatty acids, lipids ಬಗ್ಗೆ introduction. Okay na? Lipids are esters of fatty acids and glycerols, but it is not the polymers. ಇದು many times repeated. The following biomolecule is not a polymer ಅಂತ many times repeat ಆಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿರ. Lipids are not the polymers. Why? Because lipids are made up of only two components, are the fatty acids and glycerols. Okay, next one, insoluble in water but soluble in the solvents like acetone, benzene and ether. Okay, and mainly lipids nalli both fatty acids and glycerols are there. First we have to go for which one? The fatty acids. So fatty acids andre it is organic carboxylic acids anta karidvi. Okay na? So formula is RCOH, but R is variable group, it is not same for all. Era ಈ R ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ a chain of CH2 group ಇರಬಹುದು, or single methyl group. ಓಕೆನಾ? and ethyl group or many CH2 groups are there. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 18 CH2 groups are there. CH2 group chain is there in that one. Which one? Arachidic acid ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು arachidic acid, ಇದು arachidonic acid. Understood? Arachidic acid is also 20 carbon containing saturated fatty acids. Very important students. Arachidonic acid, because textbook ನಲ್ಲಿ arachidonic acid given. ಅದನ್ನು 20 carbon containing saturated or unsaturated fatty acids. This is, and this one not given in your NCERT. Oleic acid, linoleic acid, they are not given in your NCERT. Even stearic and arachidic acid also not given in your NCERT. Only palmitic acid given and arachidonic acid ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. So now students, ಈಗ next after the fatty acid, next we have to go for which one? Fatty acid ಆಮೇಲೆ next one glycerol. ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇ ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ಲಿಸರಾಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಲ್ಕಹಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಬೋದು. Trihydroxypropane, we can call them as glycerol ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾರ. Trihydroxy, ಓಕೆನಾ? Trihydroxypropane. Trihydroxypropane is called them as. What is the formula of CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH? ಇದರ this is about the formula of glycerol. It is the formula of glycerol. Okay, so 3 OH groups are there and 3 carbons are there. 3 carbons idre already know propane anta kariತೀವಿ. Trihydroxypropane, we can call them as which one? Glycerol. Clear? Okay, now we are going to discussing that one, the classification of lipids. So ಇದು important students, classification of lipids. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ questions ಕೇಳೋದು. Classification of lipids. Okay, lipids are completely classified into 3 types. That is called simple lipids and compound lipids, and last one is called derived lipids. Understood students? Simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Simple lipids andre just this one is we can applicable. Okay na? So esters of fatty acids and glycerols, or esterified fatty acids and glycerols, is called simple lipids. ಈಗ compound lipids andre lipids with other organic compounds, and derived lipids, it is formed from simple and compound lipids by hydrolysis. It is formed that one. Idra definitions of, and what are the examples ಏನಂದರೆ oils, fats, okay, and comma waxes also important. Waxes also important, okay. ಈಗ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್? ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಲೋ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, low melting point. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ in the room temperature itself only they are present in the liquid stage or solid state. Liquid stage. Best example is called gingerly oil. Gingerly oil ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಹೈ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಹೈ ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂಟಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸುಬರಿನ್. ಕ್ಯೂಟಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸುಬರಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್. ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೊನೋಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್, ಡೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ 3 types are there. Triglycerides. Now let us we have to discussing about what is meant by monoglycerides. Monoglycerides now we are discussing, students. Monoglyceride is equal, okay na? Yes, monoglyceride is equal to which one now? Fatty acid or 1 glycerol, yes, plus 1 fatty acid is called monoglyceride anta kariತಾರೆ. Monoglyceride, clear? So here it is formed by 1 glycerol 1 fatty acid, 1 glycerol 1 fatty acid, and in between that one ester bond is formed. Now only for your understanding I am writing, students. Here this is about the CH2OH, CH2OH is there, plus fatty acids I already said, COOH, okay. Can I write like this one now? OH, can I write like this? ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? RCOH ಅಂತ just before I said that one fatty acid normal formula is called RCOH ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಅದೇ formula I am writing. Here what will be happened? Here CH2OH is there. Yes, okay no? So ester bond is formation ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So water molecule removal ಆಗುತ್ತರ. If the water molecule removal ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ which one is formed now? Monoglycerides are formed. Monoglycerides ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? CH2O, okay, C double bond O R ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು CH2OH, ಓಕೆನಾ, CHOH and CH2OH. ಇದರ monoglycerides by the liberation of the water molecule come under which bond is formed? Ester bond is formed. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, this is called the as ester bond ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Ester bond, this is called the as ester bond. By the removal of water molecule ester bond is formed. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ esterified glycerol and fatty acids together called monoglycerides ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ತರಹ diglycerides are formed by command of 1 glycerol and how many fatty acids are? 2 fatty acids. 1 glycerol and 2 fatty acids both are is equal to diglycerides. Okay, so in this one CH2OH already you know, CHOH and CH2OH already is a here. So R1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇಂದ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ same OH. Next one more also I am writing here, this is R2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, this is about the OH. Same here also one water molecule is gone, here also one water molecule is gone. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬೇಡ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ಈಗ ಡೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ CH2O C ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ O R1 ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. CH2O C double bond O R2 plus CH2OH plus how many water molecule? 2 water molecules. Idra. So 1 glycerol and 2 fatty acids. 1 glycerol and 2 fatty acids, they will form diglycerides. So diglycerides formation ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 1 glycerol ಬೇಕು, 2 fatty acids ಬೇಕ್ರಾ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 2017 ನೀಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈಗ್ಲಿಸರೈಡ್ಸ್. Triglycerides, important students. Okay, so here 1 glycerol plus how many fatty acids? 3 fatty acids. 3 fatty acids is equal triglycerides ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So triglycerides same here, same writing CH2OH. ನೋಡ್ರ ಒಂದೇ, glycerol is only one, but fatty acids are 3 is there. That is about OH C double bond O R1, next C double bond O R2 OH. Okay, next one, this is R3. Yes, note 3 fatty acids are there here, 3 fatty acids. Same between that one, hydrogen ester bond is formation. Ester bond formation ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, so R1 CHO, okay, and R2 CH2O C double bond O R2 plus 3 water molecule. Ide question ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು students, okay, in the previous exam. In triglycerides formation, how many fatty acids, how many glycerols are required means, so 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acids are required for triglycerides formation. In this one, 3 water molecule liberation is takes place. Plus ester bond also formation is occurring. Ester bond and takshana fatty acids and glycerols, fatty acids and glycerol madhya. Okay, idura simple lipids anta karitira. These are all are called simple lipids. Simple lipids andre, okay, yes, monoglycerides, diglycerides and triglycerides, these are the best example, simple lipids. But simple lipids andre generally oils and fats are called them as simple lipids. Correct friends? And along with that one, waxes also. Wax and takshana cutin and suberin. Where does cutin is present? Upper surface of the leaf, correct? Leaf upper surface also cutin is present, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ cuticle ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, cuticle. And suberin, where it is present? Very good, endodermis of the root. Okay, so suberin, they will form which strips? Casparian strips ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, so that is called suberin, cutin. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ simple lipids ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay students, okay. After that, compound lipids, the lipids with other organic compounds. Lipids with other organic compounds, what is the best example is called phospholipids and glycolipids. Phospholipids and glycolipids is the best example. Phospholipids, okay. So first phospholipids go kada. Phospholipids andrinda the lipids with phosphates, okay, the lipid with phosphate group. So glycolipids nalli which one is there? Glucose plus lipids are both are there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದೇ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರ. ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಐದರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಐದರ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಲೆಸಿಥಿನ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಈ ಲೆಸಿಥಿನ್, ಈ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಲಿಪಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಾ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನ್. Phospholipids. How many layers phospholipid are? Bilayered phospholipid is there, you know. A bilayered phospholipid, I am drawing the diagram. Okay. I hope that one no need to repeat this concept. Era concept ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಲೋ ಸರ, ಓಕೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಮತ್ತೆ? ನೋ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, okay sorry students, I am drawing about phospholipids. What is the example for phospholipids? Lecithin. Idu I think 2017 or 18 or NEET question as it is they are given. Same, okay, CH2 O C double bond O R1 is there. Same CH O C double bond O R2. Next one CH2, okay, this is called phospholipids. Here ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರಾ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯಿತು ಈ ಲಿಪಿಡ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಲಿಪಿಡ್. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಸಿಥಿನ್. ಲೆಸಿಥಿನ್ ಇದು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸೊ like these questions may ask directly as it is diagram what is there in your NCERT they are giving now. The last one is called derived lipids. ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ what is meant by derived lipids. Derived lipids ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is formed from simple and compound lipids by which one? Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis meaning ಏನು? In the presence of water. In the presence of water, if the simple or compound lipid breakdown ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ which one is formed? Derived lipids. The best example is cholesterol. Cholesterol is the best example. Cholesterol is the best example. Okay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ C27H46O. It is about the formula of cholesterol. So, ಈ cholesterol diagram also they are given. Okay. But for your end. Okay, sir. ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮತ್ತು ಏನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, it is about the derived lipids, cholesterol. It is there in your NCERT textbook students as it is I drawn. Where? 1 2 here. Okay, where? This side. Here. ಇದು ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಸರ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ನಡುತ್ತಾ ಚಲ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. Okay, let us, we have to go for yes. Okay, biomicromolecules nalli total lipid concept is finished. Sara, in lipids formation nalli, come on, what is the name of the bonds are very helpful? Ester bonds. Ester bonds are formed between fatty acids and glycerol. Okay, now after the lipids we have to go for that is nitrogenous bases. Idunu comes under biomicromolecules, nitrogenous bases. Remember students, how many nitrogenous bases are there? Two types of nitrogenous bases are there, that is called purines and pyrimidines. Okay, now purines and pyrimidines. Okay, purines, adenine, guanine is called purines, and thymine, cytosine and uracil is what we can call a pyrimidine. Do you know the atomic structure of the purine? Purine atomic structure when you have to, okay, yes, already I given that. Here NH2 group is there and nitrogen group is there. Here speak out students, where does nitrogen group is present? First position, third position, seventh position, ninth position. Ivella neevu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Clear? So that's why very important, first position, third, seventh, ninth position only. Which one is there? Okay, nitrogen is there. Both purines and pyrimidines both are together called heterocyclic anta helboda. Why? Why it is called heterocyclic compound? Because along with the carbon, which one also there? Nitrogen also there. Carbon jyotige nitrogen also there. Okay. Now you have to speak out students. What is the name of this? What is the name of this nitrogenous base? Is it purine or pyrimidine? Purine. Okay, no? Purine, pyrimidines nalli come on. Which one is called dicyclic compounds? Purines are dicyclic and pyrimidines are monocyclic compounds. Remember? And this is about, I am drawing about one more purine. One more purine, same. All purines are having nitrogen group in the same position. 1 3 7 9 position. Okay, so here bond is there, double. Okay, plus here also. Okay, so this is about the guanine anta helbodu. This is about the guanine. This is about adenine and guanine. Clear? Okay, next one, thymine, cytosine. Thymine, cytosine, uracil diagram if you want. You see, this is about the thymine. You see, double bond. Yes. Clear? So nitrogen is present in the first and second carbon only. Sorry, first and third carbon only. Which group is there? Nitrogen group is present. Okay. Okay, cytosine. Cytosine ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, okay, which group is there? Amino group is there, and here, okay, same here also nitrogen is common. Okay, yes, nitrogen is common here. Next, uracil I am drawing. Yes, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ methyl? Yes, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ methyl group ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, this is called uracil. The 2018 NEET question students, 2 questions they are asked from only atomic structure. Only atomic structure they are given. Okay, yes. Here this is called thymine, and what about this one? Yes, cytosine, and what is the name? Uracil. So thymine and uracil. Yes, okay now. So fifth group, which one is there? Methyl group is there. Adike uracil. Thymine is also called 5-methyl uracil anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. 5-methyl uracil. So 5-methyl uracil ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು? Thymine. So 5-methyl uracil is commonly present in which nucleic acid? Which nucleic acid this one is present? Yes, okay, now it is commonly present in DNA. Got it? Okay, next one. Where does double bonds are there? You have to think it. Okay, so here double bond is there, correct? Yes. Here also is there. Yes. Here NH idre enagella. Okay, so NH idre. Okay, here NH is there. Era Eli ida sorry correct NH2 group. NH2 group andre compulsory double bond is there andre nitrogen iralla. Okay, that's it. Okay, yes, here also where does double bond is present? Double bond here not comes. Okay, here also not come. H is present. Here will come. Okay, got it? So these are called purines and pyrimidines. Okay, AGTCU. Already beginning of molecular base of inheritance we are already completed. We have discussed this all, but once again I am revising. Okay, again next one, the nitrogenous base when it is converted into nucleoside. Yes, it can bind with which one? Pentose sugar. So pentose sugar jotige, okay na? So nucleoside formationally, come on, which one is play an important role? Nitrogenous base plus sugar. In that time only I told sugar molecule, that pentose sugar. Pentose sugar can bind with the purines. They can bind with the purines, they can bind with the pyrimidines also. But pentose sugar can be bind with which carbon of the purines? Which carbon of the purine it can be bind? 9th carbon of the purines. Okay na? 9th carbon of the purine jotige bind agute. With the help of what is the name of the bonds? Glycosidic bond is present. Okay? Suppose if they want, if these nitrogenous base, if the sugar molecule, if they want to bind with nitrogenous base and it can be bind with which position? ಯಾವ position of the pyrimidines? Third position ಜೊತೆಗೆ bind ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ nitrogenous base connected to nitrogenous base are bind with the sugar or sugars are bind with the nitrogenous bases with their which position? The 9th position. ಇದೇ sugars if they can bind with that one pyrimidines ಜೊತೆಗೆ bind ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. This is called sugar molecules. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಶುಗರ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪೆಂಟೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರಾ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರಾ ನೀವೇ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್ ತಾನೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? C5H10O4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? O4 only is there. 1 2 3 4 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರ. C5H10O4 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಶುಗರಪ್ಪ? ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್. ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿ ರೈಬೋಸ್ ಶುಗರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? If the second group also or second position also OH group is there, means what we can call ribose sugar ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ also OH group is there means ಅವಾಗ O5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? C5H10O5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is about which one? Ribose sugar ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. But ಈಗ deoxyribose sugar is there. Now sugar molecule can bind with that one of the nitrogenous base. ಈಗ for your understanding I am writing one of the nitrogenous base. This is about a nitrogen base. Okay, so ಇದು NH2 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. Clear our students? Okay, na? So NH2 idu. So first nitrogen is there, here also nitrogen is there, here also nitrogen, here also nitrogen. H go E place nalli command water molecule hoಗುತ್ತೆ. Water molecule ಹೋಗಿ one bond formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ students. What is the name? Glycosidic bond is formed. Glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond formation is occurs. Okay, now you have to speak out students. This is called sugar molecule and adenine. This is adenine ತಾನೆ. Adenine plus sugar both are together called adenosine ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಡಿನಿನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುವಾನಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುವಾನೋಸಿನ್, ಥೈಮಿನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಥೈಮಿಡಿನ್, ಯುರಾಸಿಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯೂರಿಡಿನ್, ಸೈಟಿಡಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಯುರಾಸಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ deoxyribose sugar. Clear? So like that one. Speak out what are the different type of nucleosides. What is about the different type of nucleosides are there? Nucleosides are there. Okay? Yes. Okay? Nucleosides on the already I said nitrogen based sugar. Okay? Adenosine, remember guanosine, cytosine alla cytidine anta karithivi. Next one inda thymidine, next one inda uridine also. Got the clarity students? Okay na? Are you remembering? All these are called nucleosides or nucleotides? Nucleosides. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಸೈಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫಾಸ್ಫೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆನಾ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯೋಟೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Now you have to speak out students. Adenosine plus phosphate group both are together what we can call? Yes, adenosine monophosphate agutara. Correct? Simple agi nanu ee ತರ barilla AMP anta barilla. AMP or it is also called which one? Adenalic acid. Same. Guanosine plus phosphate we got together called GMP or guanilic acid. Okay? Same like that one. It also CMP or cytidyllic acid. Okay, and this one is called TMP or it is also called thymidyllic acid. And last one is called the mass uracil plus phosphate is called UMP or uridylic acid. Correct? Okay, so these are complete concept is there of nucleic acids. Illivargu these are called biomicromolecules. So by biomicromolecules concept finish aayta. Okay na? Biomicromolecules illivargu. Today class is enough. Yakandre 1 hour